Here we are in the out and about, and we are doing unboxing of a blanket for sitting. Let me just open it. Ta-da! Okay, Susan, do you want to open it? I bought this for this kind of picnics in the ground, underground, so we can show it.
That means I've got to bend down and I can't find the place where it opens. We should have a little.
Oh, here. Here.
Oh yeah, there we go. And yes,
Underground.
It's waterproof. Right?
Yeah, it's massive.
Put this here.
Put it on the floor.
There we go. That's waterproof.
Open. Susan. There we go. You should have opened it first before putting it on the floor. That's big enough. That's 180 to 150. Oh, can you put that straight, please? Now we can remove our shoes. Ooh. Oh, and it is organic. You know, it looks eco-friendly. It's the same color, almost tartan color of the whales or something. Thank you. Now we go back to the nature where we harvested our mushrooms.